Hello, cryptocurrency lovers. I'm Emrata. Today, I want to show you how to buy SS Lazio token, fun token. Today, Binance announced their own fund market system. On this video, I want to show you this. Now, if you don't have Binance account, you can check our website. You can get your discount code and you can get information about best cryptocurrencies with picture, with image, with videos. Everything so easy. Now, how to open a Binance account? You can click this banner you see. On this page, you can add this code in here. You can add your email or mobile phone number and click create account. Now, we are in Binance.com, Binance Global. Firstly, you will complete your KYC verification. Secondly, how to add money, deposit money to Binance. You can click this and you can select your currency and click credit card or deposit. Yes, and select BNB. For fund tokens, Binance fund token market, you need BNB. For example, 2000 USA dollar we can get 4.3 BNB. Click continue. Add your debit card or credit card and click continue again. Now, you have money, you have BNB, 4 BNB, 4.3 BNB we have. How we can enter Launchpad system in Binance.com, Binance Global. We will come here and find Launchpad. Click Launchpad. Click Lazio fund token. Now 7 days you need keep in your account BNB. End of 7 days, system will get your number and this system will show you number, BNB number in here. In this way, you can get your fund tokens like this. We have 10 BNB. We sell 10 BNB in 7 days. Okay. System will say us this. You can get 1 BNB. You can lock only 1 BNB. We can see here. And we can lock or 1 BNB here. And finally, when this periods ended, system will take our 1 BNB and give us SS Lazio token. And from this point, this stage, we will wait 1 hour. SS Lazio fund token list open it trade in on the Binance market. Everything so easy. Yes. If you want more information about fund tokens or other cryptocurrencies, you can visit our website. You can visit these articles. Thank you. Wish you a good day.